Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another episode of Restaurant Remake. Wow, guys, I haven't seen you guys for a long time, and I've been really busy with work and just personal issue stuff, so I have not yet been cooking for, oh my goodness, like close to a month and a half now. Well, I mean, normal cooking, yes, but I haven't done cooking with you guys for close to a month, so I do apologize. The things that I've previously uploaded, it was filmed like, previously, but yeah, I haven't really close to a month and a half. But yeah, so very happy that I am back. Hopefully in the future I will have more time and that my personal things are kind of like be done with and we can move forward because I do like cooking with you guys. So if you are new to my channel, this is the Food Travel Shopping Channel. I do restaurant remake, and I also do some occasionally go out and travel and recommend some restaurant for you guys. Hopefully this summer I will do more of that because I am sure that I am going to try more food out there. So if this is something that you're interested, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also at the end of the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button so then this video can be shared to other viewers like you. So let's get started, and today I am featuring the ostrich with the asparagus. This is a stir-fry ostrich with asparagus with the Worcestershire sauce. Yes. If you watch a lot of Food Network and, watch Dines In and Drive, the hosts always make fun of people, can't really pronounce the Worcestershire sauce. Wow. Same here, so I guess we're in the same boat, but I'm only a home chef. But anyway, so it smells delicious. So I'm gonna show you how easy this is. It's literally, this is gonna take only 20 minutes and you can have a nice meal at home. So go ahead and continue to watch this. Okay, so here are the ingredients to make my ostrich stir fry with asparagus using Worcestershire sauce. All right, so I have 1 pound of the ostrich sirloin here, and I just slice it into thin slices. You can definitely substitute the ostrich with beef. So let's go ahead and talk about what we're gonna marinate with. So we have half a teaspoon of sugar. We have half a teaspoon of the sesame oil. Okay, 1 tablespoon of the Shaoxing cooking wine. And finally, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. All right, I am also going to mince some garlic here. So I'm just gonna do 4 cloves of garlic. All right, so give it a quick stir here. And we are gonna let this marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. So the longer that you marinate, the better that, it's gonna taste better in terms of the flavor of the meat. So I recommend really, if you can, you should do 15 minutes, but minimum 10 minutes. Okay, so we're just gonna set that aside. Now you might be wondering why I have a large bowl with my asparagus, and I have 1 pound of asparagus here, and I just cut it into about 1.5 inches. Okay, to 1 inches. So close to probably 1.5 inches, so, bite size basically. So the reason why I'm gonna do this, I am gonna blanch the asparagus. So in the meantime, while we're waiting for this, if you have a electric kettle, so definitely use a electric kettle to boil some water right now. Okay, this is actually very good trick here. So if you need to do a quick blanch of any vegetable for stir fry, I suggest you just boil some water, and we're just gonna put it into the bowl. So we're just gonna wait for the water to boil, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so once the water is boiled, okay, so boiling hot, just pour it in. All right, so this way we are blanching our asparagus. Okay, so in the meantime, we are going to go over to the stove and we are gonna take care of the ostrich. All right, we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of the oil here. All right, so I've preheated the wok here. And we're just gonna take our ostrich meat and gonna stir fry it. All right, so you can see the ostrich meat is like 50% cooked. We're gonna add back in our asparagus. Okay, continue to stir fry it. Finally, we're gonna add in our Worcestershire sauce. Okay, so as usual with the Chinese cuisine, you always use about 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and we're just gonna go ahead and thicken up the sauce here. All right, so now we're gonna turn off the heat and we're ready for plating. Such a quick and easy stir-fry dish. Okay, so at the end of every episode of Restaurant Remake, I am going to try out my dish. Of course, some asparagus with the ostrich meats. Like I said in the ingredients portion, you can substitute the ostrich with beef. So let's try it out. I love the Worcestershire sauce. That makes it like extra yummy. In the Chinese, we usually say, the sauce makes it more appetizing. And that is totally true for this dish. So I'm just gonna grab another bite. Okay, so if you enjoy this episode of my stir fry of the ostrich with asparagus with the Worcestershire sauce, go ahead and give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button. And of course, if you are new to this channel, I would love you to rejoin me simply by clicking the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you won't miss another video of my future upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time at Restaurant Remake.